Yes, guys, Etsy SEO to find the best digital products. Let's go, guys. I hope you guys are well. So, guys, as you know, I like to find some of the best digital products, digital product niches, especially the ones that are coming out that are trending. So, if you do like videos like this, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get them in your feed, guys. So without further ado, let's go into a little bit of work with this, a little bit of a quick mini tutorial, I'll call it. And guys, don't forget, all the links to all the software that I use is in my description, so you can check them all out. Now, let's have a look at this. So look, this is what will happen once you've kind of, if you like, linked your account, which you can get from the Chrome extension, which is really quick and easy to do. So if you go to Chrome extension, and you'll see that Everbee, you can kind of download it on there. And then once you've signed up with Everbee, which you can sign up for free, and then what will happen is once it connects to your Etsy sort of page or account, you'll see Everbee, and the logo for Everbee is there, which is a bee, obviously, and then you've got your kind of panel here on the side, the tools. So once it connects, this will come up. Okay. Now, there's a few ways of doing this research. So I'm just going to literally just type in, let's say, digital planners, because we know that digital planners are one of the kind of big, one of the most popular things going right now in terms of what people like to sell. So you can see that Everbee has, instantly given you, firstly, a kind of idea for the search volume. Okay, the monthly search volume for these keywords. Now, you might add another word to it. So it could be digital planner and then something else to sort of bring it into a niche, like digital planner for teachers. Whatever you add to it, you'll see you get a gauge of the idea of monthly searches. So even from this stage, you'll actually see what the kind of searches are and how many, what the volume is, which is really nice just to see visually straight away without even really doing much. Because sometimes we just want to find out, is there a demand? And you can get a gauge and idea for demand when you do this. So let's say I click on digital planner, because as we know, it's quite a popular niche. Now, there's a few things here which I want to touch on very quickly. Now, look, firstly, I'll, just as a bit of advice, you can see that the digital planner keyword there, has 480,000 guys results, including ads, but that's a lot of results. So you can see it's becoming, and maybe is already, a saturated market. Although there's a lot of demand still, people do search for it, but it's a lot of sellers out there, pretty much lots of sellers. So it's very important, and I'll give you that hint, is to niche down. And I've said it in all my videos, which you can check out. Check out the videos at the end of this one. There's loads of videos which I talk about this, but this is what I mean. Like, look at this. When you actually niche down, and if you go to something else like digital planner iPad, let's say these are your keywords that you're actually going to target, you can see they've got the monthly searches. But if I click on it also, so if I click on digital planner iPad, for example, as my keyword, let me just go on it, iPad, and let me just search that very quickly. So what you'll see is the results have reduced. If you look down here where my cursor is, the results have reduced to 70,000. So if I was to target this, that would be a better place to target for these three keywords, because the results are less. That means it will be better to try and rank on this. However, personally, I would still try to look at results where it's around 20k or less, because then that will be even better to try and rank for. But anyway, let's just kind of go back for a second, and let's use Everbee, because like I said, Everbee's already kind of helped in that way. Now, let's just go to something called product analytics. Okay, we're going to do a few ways very quickly. Like I said, it's a quick mini one, and I really just want you just to see and understand how easy it is to use this great product. So what I've done is I've clicked on product analytics, and obviously I'm looking at the digital planner. Okay, so what it does is immediately it gives me an idea of how much each product is selling, So how many sales it's got, the price it is, the monthly revenue, the total sales for the listing so far, its reviews, listing age, okay, the listing age, how many, favorites, if it's added to favorites, the average reviews, how many views it's got, the shop age, the category that's in, its visibility score, that means how good the SEO is, how good the conversion rate is. Now, as you know, with the conversions, when, you'll know that if someone has got great images on a video, and they're converting highly, what they're doing is working. And the visibility score is their sort of SEO work. So if their score is pretty high, that means they've done some good SEO work. Okay. So all of these are clues. And then it gives you the total shop sales. So you'll get an idea of how good the shop is selling. So there's so much information here that you can really look deep into, and it gives you an idea of what you need to do. So look, what I like to do here is, so let's say this is obviously under the digital planner, if you like, niche. So if I want to check out and see what is selling really well, I might go to the monthly, let's say, revenue, right? I might go to which one is making the most money. So if I go to click this little arrow here, right? And then I'm going to click it again, and it's going to show me that this digital planner is making around $43,655. $43,655 a month, guys, right? It's making a monthly sale, is selling 3,498 of this. So you know that this product is working and it's amazing, right? Total sales, it's telling me how many reviews it's got, the listing age. I mean, look at this one. This is an amazing product anyway. Look, to have a listing which is 4 months old, not that old, average reviews of 350, the views are 421,000. The shop page even isn't that old, but let's say it's 9 months old. They're doing something right, these guys. Look, the visibility score is 100%, conversion rate is 3%, and then you got the total sales. So it gives you such fantastic data. So what I would do is I'd look at this product and I'll see what are these guys doing that's working so well, right? What are they doing? Because obviously something is working for these guys, right? So then, obviously I'll start looking a little bit deeper. So then with Everbee, I can go into it a bit more. So, I might just, want to see this product. So all I need to do is just click on it, right? You just click on it, and then on the side, I've got information, right? So it shows me the information here about, and I can click on it to view it on Etsy if I want as well. Although I've got all the information really that I want here, but I can get in, I can go into a little bit more. But what I wanted to do is I just wanted to show you what else it had. So look at this, it tells us quite a few bits of information. And I tell you something that it does show me why these guys are doing well is if you look at this, which is so good with Everbee, is that it gives you all the tags, the keyword tags that it's ranking for. And this is really, really important, guys, because you can actually use these tags, or you can look at what tags works. And literally you can look, I've just copied this tag. And if I wanted to create a listing, with something that maybe is a little bit is similar, obviously unique, make sure that you do your own unique listing and idea. But I can get ideas from other ones that are working and look at what tags they're ranking for. So, as you can see, look at this. They're using some, ranking keywords, guys. Look, 2023 digital planner. You can see from the graph, which is really nice visual, that has 365 volume, okay, per month, searches. And then look, you can see that it's trending as well. You can see any graph that's you can see it going up is trending. So they're actually, targeting trending tags or keywords. Look at these. They're very smart. So these guys are very smart. you can see these graphs are all trending up, you know. So these look like really good keywords to target. And there's a lot of volume, you know, when you add these, all the volume together, you're basically having a lot of volume altogether, because imagine you're ranking for all these tags, right? You add the tags, the volume together, and it's a huge amount to be seen in. So this is what is really, really nice with Everbee. You get so much information, and then visibility score. Obviously, you know, with the tags, it helps. You got the conversion rate, which gives you how good the images are that help it convert, and the description and the information. And you can see even here from the write-up what they've written in terms of the describing the product, and they've got all these keywords which pretty much also relate to these that they've used. So 2023 calendar, for example, 2023 planner, should I say, 2023 planner here, 6,000 volume trending up. And you can see if I go to view on Etsy, let me just get into this a bit more because I can view it straight away. You know, you can see it here, this product. And then obviously I can get into a little bit more because it's really important. Analyze the listing with Everbee, which is similar to what I just looked at, really, because it has that same sort of information, but it gives me the detail, right, with the tags. So that would be one method of doing this, okay? But then I'd also see that this person seems to have a massive amount of sales, and, you know, is doing pretty well. I'd also want to look at other things like the reviews for this item, and then also just delve in a little bit more and analyze it a bit more. What do people like about this? Because this also gives you ideas. So, for example, if we look at this review, it says, I recently purchased a digital planner from Etsy, and I'm so pleased with this purchase. The planner is beautifully designed and incredibly functional with all the sections and pages. So, you know, you could get information from these reviews as well. You know, the ease of digital download process, and the fact that I can use the planner on my tablet, computer, or phone, right? These are all tips and ideas when you actually create your digital planner to make sure that they're accessible, for example, on tablet, computer, or phone. And that's what you do. You start looking at the reviews. They will also help you in terms of actually making sure that your digital product works for the customer, and that, you know, they will want to come back and buy more products. So anyways, coming back to Everbee and the SEO with this, I would click on the shop itself. So this is the store. This is their store. And what I can do is I can also analyze, you know, their products, because it seems like these guys know what they're doing, right? It seems like they're doing some great stuff. So what I'll do is I'll go to product analytics again, okay? And then I can see also, you know, their other products and how well they're doing. So again, look, I can go to monthly revenue and then just click this a couple of times just to look at, you know, gauge how well some of the other products are doing. So look, they've got another really cool product, which is getting 12,717 a month approximately, with 5,000 sales. And again, the listing is not even that old. But again, you can see that they're doing quite well on that one too. So then I'll try and look and see what it is that they've done for this particular one. Okay. So if I click on it, for example, I can see again very quickly here that they've got a slightly different product, but I want to see also what are they targeting. So here there's some, you know, I'll look at all the tags that they're targeting for this particular product, and then I would look a little bit deeper into it. And then what I'll do is I'll just keep going down and then really like looking at their scores. So for example, you know, I can see that this one has got a conversion rate of 5%, right? Which is better than some of the others. This one's actually even better, 6%, right? A better conversion rate. This one is 6%. Now, these are better conversion rates, right? So you want to look into things that are converting well, you know, and in this case, if it's converting well, it's really more about what's the description and also what the images and videos like. So then I would probably want to look at these digital stickers that are selling, and then seeing, why are they converting so well? Why is the conversion rate better than the rest? So I'll definitely check it out, and then see also what the tags are, what they're ranking for. So obviously people like, to click on this particular product. I'll have a look. They've got quite a lot of images, nice clear images. I really like their tones, the color that they've used. It's really nice, really warm colors. And then I'll look at the video that they produced, and then you just get an idea really about what they're doing. So it's like an investigation almost. You're looking and seeing what's working, what's good. But Everbee, is a tool that can really support this, and it really does help cut out, the time taken to really understand and analyze. Like I said, things can be done manually, but to be honest with you, and at this time with all the competition, everyone's competing and everyone's using, SEO just to kind of make sure that they kind of get ahead of the game. So guys, this is one mini tutorial. I will do other ones. So don't forget, you can check out the link in my description if you want to try out Everbee, and I also have links to all my other software that I use. And if you did enjoy the video, guys, I hope you hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and don't forget to check out the 2 videos that will come up at the end of this one. They're also pretty cool, and they give you some more tips on Etsy. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care.